Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. And guys, we receive a beautiful wig. We also receive some goodies, so don't you worry, they got you, okay? This wig, guys, it is beautiful, as you guys can see right now. It is a 24-inch 13 by 4 lace front wig, 33B, brown Auburn color. And when I tell you, I love this hair for the fall. The color is beautiful. It is amazing. If you guys go into that lace as well, the lace is beautiful and I love it. So it also comes with a band and I love that. We're gonna do this wig glueless, of course, and it's pretty. This is the first time for me wearing a water wave hair, so we're gonna slay, okay? Get into this wig, stay tuned, and don't go nowhere. Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video, and today we are going to get in with this beautiful hair. I absolutely love the color, but first I'm thinking, should I do it glueless? Yes, that's what we're gonna do. So my hair is already braided. I'm just gonna add some glue, some gel to make sure all these hair goes back before we put the wig on. And it is beautiful. This is real simple, beginner friendly, no parting. That's what I think I will be doing. You can add part or anything you wish, but you know what, I might change my mind because the wig is versatile, so we can do a part, we don't have to add a part. It's whatever you wish to do. All right, so we are gonna ensure that all the baby hair is in. I'm just using a toothbrush, which that's the closest thing to me. We're gonna add that in just like that. Make sure all your edges are in. Then we are gonna let that dry. Alright guys, I love how snug the wig fits on my head. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. Alright, so I'm here thinking, how should we do it? Because we can do whatever we want. I love that the water wave, oh, it feels so good. So I'm thinking, should I do, this would be my first time not making a part. Should I just put it on like this? Da 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 da. I love it, and my baby girl loves it as well. So let's see. Stay tuned and see what we're gonna do. Let me just play with it some more. Should I just do it like this? Or should we add a part? Da 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 da. Ooh. All right, guys, before I do my makeup, we are gonna add some makeup to the lace. Just to make sure there's no mark. I'm just gonna add my contour palette. I think that will be perfect. So, oh, you see that blend? So everything is blended. There we go. Let's get into this makeup, and then I will come back. You know what? Let me fix right here first. So I think I want to add a little bit of water. Okay guys, so my makeup is done, and let's take this off. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I love it. Alright, let's zoom out so that way we can look at it and fix everything that needs to be fixed. What you guys think? No baby hair. I love how snug this wig fits on the head. Yeah, it can go on. It have a buzz. I think I need to put in a hoop, right? What you guys think? I'm gonna put in a hoop and I'll be back with some slow-mo. But let's talk about the hair for a minute. I love it. I think the color is beautiful as well. I love it. And it's so easy. This is like real easy, real simple. You're not gonna pull your hairline out. It is like, it's just a vibe. It's given all over. And I love, this is the first time, a matter of fact, of me wearing water wave hair, and I love it. I do. I really do. Beauty Forever. Sis slay. Okay, this wig, everything will be in the description down below, guys. Check them out. I love this wig so much. Look at this wig. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It is 24 inches, water wave, 33B, dark brown. It is brown Auburn, I should say, in 13x4 lace front wig. Love it. Beauty Forever. You guys came through with this wig. I love it. I think it compliments me. My daughter, she just told me, oh mommy, I like your hair. So you know what that means. I love it. It's just given, okay? And it is 24 inches like I said. You guys can get the same wig. It will be directly in my description box. So click the link. You can get a shorter length, a longer length, whatever you choose. but I think this one is perfect. So this is a vibe. It is fall and this is a vibe. It's the color, it is just everything. So you guys click the link down below and shop now. Beauty Forever Hair, love it. The same exact wig will be there, or you can choose another wig. Whatever you choose, you're gonna love it, okay?
So